quick look at this window. I did possibly, I'd say this one about 5 maybe 6 years ago. The inside, a bit of cement work on this sandstone. Not everywhere was done, but certain patches were fixed. But what I really wanted to look at on this is this piece of glass. Well, this is the piece of glass that I put in, well, it's possibly coming on for 3 years ago now. Used a polymer sealant and then finished off with sand and cement. That's not looking too bad at all, that. So what I really want to do is have a look outside. Just about here is where I did quite a bit of a repair. It started fracturing out around the whole mullion. Well, that side is the original sandstone, and that's what I did out there. So I'll open the window, we'll have a look, but again it's going to be windy, be a bit noisy. Well, we'll just take a look. First of all, through the glass, a small amount of painting I did outside, obviously using a microporous undercoating gloss. So Dulux Trade was used on that, weather shield. This top part I didn't do, as in no cement, that's already been repaired in the past. So paint line is a lot smoother. That one's slightly rougher because that was the newer one. That's only had 3 coats of paint. Well, that is looking good. Let's have a quick look from outside. That's looking okay. That's not too bad at all. Like I say, probably 5-6 years this has been finished. You can see where I'd worked up to here with my sand and cement. Again, as long as you leave that to dry, all the moisture come out of it, not a problem. Those bits outside, once it was all finished and completed, and all the sandstone was coated with Thompson water seal. That was just to protect it from water ingress into the actual paint underneath there. But yeah, no problems there.